Assalamu alaikum, this is me Rabia, and today we are writing counting from 1 to 10. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. We will write 1 in the tens box and 0 in the unit box. Let's start writing. We will write 1 in the unit box. And what comes after 1? 2. And what comes after 2? 3. And what comes after 3? 4. And what comes after 4? 5. And what comes after 5? 6. And what comes after 6? 7. And what comes after 7? 8. And what comes after 8? 9. And what comes after 9? 1, 0, 10. We will write 1 in the tens box and 0 in the unit box below the 9. Okay? Today we learn reading and writing counting from 1 to 10. That's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.